Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize PayPal in Chrome extensions safely, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Google Chrome browser. Navigate to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type PayPal and hit enter. Browse through the extensions that appear in the search results. Select the official PayPal extension. Click on the Add to Chrome button. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation. Review the permissions that the extension requires. If you agree, click Add Extension. Wait for the extension to download and install. Once installed, locate the PayPal extension icon in the upper right corner of the browser. Click on the PayPal icon to open it. You will be prompted to log in to your PayPal account. Enter your email and password, then click Login. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step. Review the terms and conditions presented to you. Click Agree and continue to proceed. You will now be directed to authorize the extension. Check that the permissions align with your security expectations. Click on Authorize to allow the extension access to your account. Once authorized, you'll receive a confirmation message. The PayPal extension is now successfully integrated with your Chrome browser. You can start using it for your transactions safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.